The normal process of neurotransmission involves neurotransmitters being released from the presynaptic terminal into the synaptic cleft, where they then dock with receptors on the postsynaptic cell's dendrite. This process will bring about some response in the postsynaptic cell. This process can be affected in a number of different ways by different drugs. For example, some drug types bind with the receptor, interfering with the normal ability of a neurotransmitter to bind. This kind of drug is called an antagonist. Other drug types can bind to the receptor and cause a normal or near-normal response in the postsynaptic cell. This kind of drug is called an agonist. Drugs such as nicotine and painkillers or analgesic drugs are examples of agonists. These drugs mimic normal neurotransmission. Another way in which drugs can have an effect at the synapse is by blocking the reuptake of neurotransmitters into the presynaptic terminal. Usually, when neurotransmitters have been released into the synaptic cleft, they are later cleared away. One of the ways in which this happens involves the neurotransmitter molecules being taken back into the presynaptic terminal by transporters, essentially to be recycled back into vesicles. However, some drugs block the action of transporters, preventing the reuptake of neurotransmitters. In turn, the level of neurotransmitters in the synaptic cleft goes up. Prozac is an example of a drug that works in this way. It blocks the transporter that is responsible for the reuptake of a neurotransmitter called serotonin.